How to make new contacts group in Outlook. Hi guys, welcome to today's tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll teach you how you can make new contacts group in Outlook. So kindly watch to the end. The first step is to log in into your Outlook account, just like I have done here. And once you're logged in, you revert to the home page where you can see Outlook. By the top left corner, you can see some icons here as well, and then you can see at the left side of the screen you can see the mail icon, then calendar, then people, then groups, then to do, Excel, etc. And then on the main page you'll see all of your inboxes here. Now for you to be able to create a new contacts group, all you need to do is go to the left side of the screen and then locate the groups option. Now groups is located below people. All right, so just click on it. Once you click on groups, you can see you brought to the groups page here, and then you can see create groups to see them here. Now before you can create any groups, you'd have to like at least have some contacts already. For me, I have not added any contacts. All right, but for you, ensure you have added some contacts already, and then move to the top right side and click on create group. Then for you to create group, you can see this right up, working together on a shared goal. A group gives you space for sharing conversations, files, scheduling events and more. And then you have to input the group number here, yeah, and sorry, group name. Yeah, so just input any name you deem fit, and then you have to state the purpose of the group, then click on create, and then you wait patiently for it to load. Once that's loaded, you now have to add members into the group. So in the space displayed, you have to input the email address of the person you want to add. Ensure you input it and then click on add, and from there you can keep on adding as much persons as you want to the group. So this is how you can create new contacts group on Outlook. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.